Another day, another English lesson. Past perfect continuous plus until plus simple past. Ongoing actions that stopped. Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about something that was happening for a while in the past, but then another past event stopped it. We're going to use the subordinating conjunction until. We use this pattern, past perfect continuous plus until plus simple past. The past perfect continuous, subject plus had been plus verbing, shows the action that was in progress in the past before another one occurred. The simple past shows the single, one-time event that ended the other action. The word until connects the two. Examples. She had been crying all afternoon until her friend arrived with good news. The crying was an ongoing process. The arrival of the friend stopped it. I had been feeling sick for hours until I finally took some medicine. The sickness continued for a stretch of time. Taking medicine ended it. They had been arguing loudly for 10 minutes until the teacher walked into the room. The argument was in progress. The teacher's entrance brought it to a stop. Key point. The past perfect continuous form is necessary in these examples because we're describing ongoing actions or states that lasted up to a specific stopping point. The past perfect simple, had cried, had felt sick, had tried, wouldn't work as well. It would sound like we were talking about something already finished, not something in progress that got interrupted. Now complete the sentences with the structure past perfect continuous plus until plus simple past. Use the verbs in parentheses. The verbs are not always in the correct order. One, she had been coughing all night until she finally fell asleep. 2, they had been shouting at each other for half an hour until the manager stepped in. 3, she had been feeling dizzy all morning until she ate something. 4, we had been driving through the storm for 2 hours until we reached the hotel. 5, he had been trying to fix his bike for most of the afternoon until his neighbor offered to help. 6, the children had been playing noisily in the yard until their mother called them inside. 7. She had been waiting at the station for nearly an hour until the train finally arrived. 8. I had been studying for the exam since early morning until my friend came over with pizza. 9. They had been walking without a break for several miles until they found a bench to rest on. 10. He had been working on his painting all week until he ran out of paint. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language lessons.